Well, I still hear from people that they compare very expensive professional car coatings with Ceracoat vehicle care. Well, first of all, you have to look at the price. If someone buys a bottle of Ceracoat vehicle care for $40, for example, and coats 8 cars, that means that he has material for $5 to coat the car. And then he coats the car in half an hour. This is the basis. So this is a do-it-yourself product for everybody. So now when you compare that to professional coatings where cars have to be prepared, have to be cleaned in a special manner, you need a polishing machine, etc., and a lot of expensive material, and then at the end you have 1 hour or 2 hours to coat the car. You can't compare that with what I said before about Ceracoat vehicle care. Well, we can also say it's a tremendous compliment that our not expensive product is compared with such professional applications. That's positive for us. It's a very huge compliment, but it's not correct, you know. So if you want to compare that, you should say the price of the material to coat the car shall not exceed $10 or $15, and you have to be able to coat the car in half an hour. This is the basis. Now this is the championship, you know. So then you start, and then after half an hour you see what the result is. And with those professional applications, no one is able to coat the car in half an hour for that price. That means you can, if you have 1 hour to coat the car or 2 hours, you can coat the car 5 or 6 times with Ceracoat vehicle care. That means you use the whole bottle. So it costs you $40 in 2 hours. So you coat it several times, because you know that if you coat it 2, 3, 4, 5 times, the coating gets stronger and the coating gets lasts longer. And also the shiny effect is higher. Or you can use Ceracoat vehicle care professional, where you also use a polishing machine and you use the nanowax. But please compare things that can be compared. And the goal is to coat the car for $10 and half an hour of work. This is what we are able to do with the results that you know, the shiny, the repellency. You don't need to clean it anymore with products. You can clean it only with water, or even just polish the dirt away. So this has to be compared and nothing else.